Takže zdravím lidi, v dnešním videu, jak jsem vám tady slíbil, tak si zahrajeme vlastně FNAF Help Wanted Parts and Service. To znamená tedy, že zahrajeme si Bonnieho, Chiku, Freddyho a Foxyho, budeme je opravovat. Protože jsem vám to včera slíbil, tak co bych to neudělal zrovna další den. Takže jako prvního tady mám Bonnieho. Já to nebudu nějak jako zdržovat jako v minulém videu, takže hnedka jako půjdu na věc. Dnes to udělám i pár shortů, jakože že dám nějaké ty klipy, ale to se...
Welcome back to Parts and Service. Oh no, it looks like Bonnie's guitar is out of tune and must be
No,
recalibrated.
tak to je špatné.
First, we must access his harmonization module located inside his secondary throat pipe. To access the throat pipe, both eyes must first be removed. You must be as precise as possible when removing the eyes from their respective sockets.
Super.
First, firmly grip Bonnie's left eye and carefully remove it from its
Bonnieho levé
socket.
oko. To znamená, že musím patrně...
Great job. Deposit the left eye. Well done. Now, firmly grip Bonnie's right eye and carefully remove it from its socket. Deposit the right eye in the cleaning receptacle. Good job. To open Bonnie's faceplate, carefully press the two buttons located on either side of Bonnie's jaw. When done correctly, you should... Well done. You now have access to Bonnie's harmonization module. Press the blinking button inside Bonnie's secondary throat pipe to enter calibration mode.
Je to taky nervy. Doufám, že mu to nevadí. Tak jo, jdem to zkusit.
Something is not right. One of those notes is out of tune. You may push the button again to replay the audio check. Press the colored button that corresponds to the incorrect note.
Musím otevřít skříň, protože... Super.
Press the blinking button again to verify your work.
Jo, výborně.
Great job. Bonnie is in tune and ready for his solo. Let's close him up. Simply replace both eyes in the same order that you removed them, then close up the faceplate, and we'll call it a day.
Já nevím, jak to myslí takhle, ale... Prosím. Oj, dobrý. Takže takhle.
Well done. That concludes your parts and services task. See you next time.
Jo, má obrovské ruce ten Bonnie. Na to jakože, jak jsou obrovské ruce jako v tom VR-ku, jak má ten borec jako tady ten, tak jsou úplně jako... Takže to byl Bonnie, prosím vás. Teďka je na řadě Chica. To jsem úplně nenáviděl, tam jsou sami brouci a tak. Jenom arachnofobie, ale prostě nevím, je to takové nepříjemné. Nejradši mám asi Freddyho nebo Foxyho, ale Bonnie je takový lehký. Tak no.
Welcome back to Parts and Service.
Dobrý den, pane Chico.
There have been customer complaints about Chica's acrid smell. Sounds like Chica has been rummaging around the kitchen again. Remove all food particles from Chica's exterior and place it in the refuse bin on your right.
Jo, to bude asi tohle.
Good job. Make sure Chica is not hiding any other treats inside her beak. To open her beak, carefully press the two buttons located on the sides of Chica's head. Oh no, it looks like Chica has picked up some unwanted friends. To clear the infestation, apply the Fazbear Entertainment restaurant grade Avoid inhaling the chemi spray. Exposure to cleaning, disinfecting, and maintenance chemicals may result in respiratory problems, skin, or eye irritation. Good job. Now reattach Chica's upper arm, hand, and cupcake plate.
Ježiši.
Well done. Oh no, it looks like Chica needs another dose of the chemi spray. Do not let the infestation spread. Be sure to give the canister button another push as needed. Return the cupcake to Chica's plate.
Buzerant. Hej, ty, vrať se, ty zmrde.
Return the cupcake to Chica's plate. Please place the cupcake on the plate.
Kde ten zmrt?
Place the cupcake on the plate. Great job. Chica is ready to serve pizza and hugs to the kids again. Take a complimentary slice of pizza for a job well
No,
done.
to je dobré. A jo.
Delicious. See you next time.
Vrčela to Chica. No ty zmrde. Tak Chiku mám za sebou. Mixed nuts. No. Takže tohle video bude takový kratší, jak tak vidím, protože dělám to celkem rychle. Ale ten Foxy bude trošku jako malinko zdlouhavější, takže Freddy též nebude úplně nejlehčí.
Welcome back to Parts and Service. It looks like one of our guests left a personal item on our star attraction. Let's return it to the Lost and Found. Carefully grab and remove the child's hat from Freddy's mouth. Freddy's got a pretty good hold of it. Good job. Now place the hat in the Lost and Found bin on your right. While we're at it, let's make sure there isn't anything else stuck inside. To access Freddy's chest cavity, grab Freddy's bow tie and pull it. Well done. Freddy's chest cavity is now open. Remove the child's watch and place it in the Lost and Found bin. Be careful not to touch any of Freddy's sensitive wiring. Good job. It appears there is a child's shoe wedged behind Freddy's music box. The music box must be removed before you can access the child's shoe. Gently grasp the music box and extract it from Freddy's chest cavity before the safety latch descends. Carefully place the music box on the work table to your left. Great job. To reset the safety latch, press the button located on Freddy's endoskeleton. Now, remove the child's shoe and place it in the Lost and Found bin.
Freddy, ty máš kolena, ty vole.
Well done. Return the music box to Freddy's chest cavity and we'll call it a day.
Dobrý.
Oh no! You seem to have mishandled Freddy's music box. This is not a slow and even pace is recommended. A slow and even pace is recommended. Crisis averted. To close Freddy's chest cavity, press the large black button on the center of Freddy's face.
Hej, nice. To je úplně nejlepší pocit tohle.
That concludes your time in Parts and Service. Your pay will be docked accordingly.
Ty vole. Tak. Freddy Fazbear, výborně. Tak, náš poslední host bude tedy Foxy. Tak, snad se nám teda podaří dobře, no. A pojď, Foxy. Ještě nikdo nedal jumpscare vlastně zatím na tom, na Parts and Service.
Welcome back to Parts and Service. Foxy has been out of commission for quite some time. This series of simple repairs should return him to full working condition. First, carefully pick up and place Foxy's head on his endoskeleton. Oh no, it looks like Foxy's proprietary servo motors are malfunctioning. It is recommended that you keep an eye on Foxy at all times. You will need to place new control fuses in the exposed receptacles to continue. Retrieve the fuse from drawer number 1 that matches Foxy's leg receptacle. To avoid bodily harm, wait for Foxy's legs to stop moving before inserting the control fuse.
Já chci počkat, až to udělá právě.
Good job. Foxy has regained control of his legs. A gentle reminder, it is recommended that you keep an eye on Foxy
Добре, то
at
усі
all times. Oh no, it looks like a former employee attempted to repair Foxy's chest motor using an incorrect fuse. Carefully, remove the incorrect fuse from Foxy's chest and insert it into Foxy's upper arm receptacle.
Tupý. No. Foxy, promiň. No, tak jako, myslel jsem si, že v životě nedostanu jumpscare v Parts and Service, ale tak, jak tak vidím tady. Ježiš, to zase musím co dělat od znova.
Welcome back to Parts and Service. Oh no, it looks like Foxy's proprietary servo motors are malfunctioning.
Tam je jiná. Já jsem koko. Vždycky musíte dávat pozor. Tak prosím vás pozor, když děláte Parts and Service a nebuďte jak já. Já jsem takovej. Teď se vsadím, že to tam bude stejné. Teď se vsadím jak ten první pokus.
Welcome back
No,
to
já
Parts
si
and
jak jinak.
Service.
No.
Foxy has been out of commission for quite some time. This series of simple repairs should return him to full work. Oh no, it looks like Foxy's proprietary servo motors are malfunctioning. It is recommended that you keep an eye on Foxy at all times. You will need to place new control fuses in the exposed receptacles to continue. Good job. Foxy has regained control of his legs. A gentle reminder, it is recommended that you keep an eye on Foxy at all times. Oh no, it looks like a former employee attempted to repair Foxy's chest motor using well done. The remaining chest fuses are located in drawers number 2 and number 4. Fix both fuses to continue. Good job. Retrieve Foxy's eye from drawer number 3. When Foxy's eye patch is fully open, place the eye back into his eye socket.
Počkám, radši počkám.
Well done.
Super.
This concludes all your parts and
Výborný,
service
Parts and Service
tasks.
za náma lidi.
Pirate Cove can now be reopened.
Tohoto video je to všechno. Toho jako měl být účel, jako aby bylo takhle krátké, jo, takže... Omlouvám se, tenhle tady budu točit jako mnohem častěji, jo, takže... Uvidíme... Oj. Nice. Takže jak jsem říkal, v příštím videu budou zase normální noci. Potom budou ty noční terory, s váma projdu. A možná si i tam ten Enart, ale toho ještě neumím, toho se trošku bojím. Ale musíme udělat všechny tyhle, nebo nemusíme, ale pokusíme se. Že tohoto jsem pochopil, není ho strašně lehký mechanismus. Nightmarion, no, já vám to všechno potom udělám, jo. V příštím videu si to všechno řeknu. Tak lidi, pro tohle video je to tedy všechno, jak jsem už říkal. Mějte se pěkně a příštího videa se uvidíme. Tak jo, zdravím.